in the back of my mind, I was like, alright, this is gonna happen today. This is gonna happen today. Based on what my friends say, it needs to be something. I need to want to do it again. Okay? It needs to be hard. I'm going to be nervous. It may be painful. But more importantly, I'm going to want to do it again. So that did it on my mind. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, if this is your first time watching a video for me, go ahead and subscribe. I promise you, you're gonna like what I keep over here. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and of course, if you feel compelled, free, drop the comment down there so when I charge you for that. And if this is not your first time and you know say, and you rate the front lawn for Kim Squad, you know say, and you dust off the furniture for Kim Squad, welcome back. Mwah! You know I love you guys. All people love my outfit. Oh no, of course I'm assuming that half of y'all are here for the title. So to you in the back that is running and coming, I'm going to give you an opportunity to get here because I don't want you dropping no. I promise me I'm gonna laugh after you. So take time, come in. I give you a minute to come. I see you run and come in and hear the notification, you know, because you just know see me. So come in, man. Come in, goodie. Drink some water. Ready for this? Alright. So as the title says, guys, I'm gonna tell you guys about my first time. So to be honest, I was a little bit iffy about this, you know, because may I say, you know, I'm just gonna keep this kind of thing outside of my YouTube. You know, YouTube is going to be kept completely separate. But then I think about it just not too long ago, I said, nah, I want to do this. Let's just do this. Let's just get into it, guys. But you know what? Just before we jump into the video, I want you to pause it right here. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the Shanz Experience. Guys, her channel is about food. And even if you're not a foodie, suppose you wake up this morning and you don't want cornflakes for breakfast, you don't want cereal, you don't want to have a sandwich, you don't want cook up nothing, you know, you just want to make something quick. She does quick, easy tutorials and even how to make waffles for breakfast. I mean, some nice things I keep over them, and I lie, not everybody channel is about the pranks, and some people just do some nice things. And even when me watch it, I got instantly hungry. No, me don't want nothing in my house to eat because me don't have pancake and waffles into my food something. So Shanz, we need to talk. So guys, definitely pause this video, go over to her channel and hit the subscribe button. I promise you, you must see what meal over there where y'all go like. So please go ahead and do that for me. Subscribe to her channel and turn on your notification. Also guys, her link is gonna be down in my description as well, so you can feel free to go click on it, load her up with the subscriptions. Make sure no say I can send you, let her know that you are a resident Kim Squad member. Big up your nice clean self, Shan. Alright, so guys, yeah, like I said, now me I get nervous. This video is gonna be about my first time. I'm feeling nervous, bad, but let's go ahead and jump into the video, right? Let's get to it. Woo, okay. Welcome back. I feel like a TV show. I'm going to ask one commercial break right now if we're going to drink some water or something, because oh my god, I still can't believe me I do this. But don't hurry me up. Do not hurry me up. Don't tell me what I must hurry up and get to the juice. Leave me alone. You love the sauce. And the sauce, you come fast, sit down and take the sauce. But I'm build up to it. Leave me alone. And if I don't subscribe, then subscribe. Jump backside. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting to it. So I want to start off by saying it is important, parents, it's important that you pay very close attention to the friends that your children have. If they're teenagers, it is more so important. Okay, you need to pay attention to the friends that they have, because trust me, I know that not every child is influenced that way, but a lot of times our friends are really the reasons why we participate in certain kind of activities, the reason why we indulge in a certain acts, right? So with that being said, I guess it's safe to say I was young. I was pretty young. I feel nervous, sir. So yeah, I was young. So what happened was, you know, went to school and your friends are talking about all the things that they do or things that they've done, and then it was like 12 of us, about 12 of us. Yeah, so the 12 of us didn't walk like every single day, because that's a lot of girls, you know. But there were different personalities in the mix. So you know, you gotta have the pretty girl, you gotta have the girl where I run road, you gotta have the smart girl, you gotta have you had to have more than one smart girls, to be honest, because you had girls in the mix that were way smarter than me. So you know, yeah, my smart kind of blossom late. Yep, my smart blossom late. But anyway, yeah. So you know, a whole heap of we 12 of we as females. So I mean, you know, a lot of different personalities, and different persons are sharing different experiences, and of course persons are, but I know, even if your friend's not saying, hey, this me do, I need to do it, so you know, just because they did it, it makes you feel, or it made me feel like this is something that I needed to try. You know, show me your friends and I tell you who you are. It's real. It's real. So you know, my friends in my talk, and one of them in particular, I say, you know what, I did this and it was fun, and you know, she say she was nervous. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm telling you guys this. Now I get real nervous. I can see you guys looking at me right now. I can see you guys looking at me, and I am so nervous and scared. But whatever, let's get this done. Okay, so you know, she say, you know, she was nervous and scared at the same time, but it did fulfilling, and she enjoyed it, and it was enough to have her go many times again. And I'll them something this, and I say, all right, this one like something that can work. Okay, I'm really nervous, I'm not gonna lie, I was very nervous, but may I say, you know, all right, let's try this. Okay, cool. Let's try this. So turns out that my other friends, because I'm slow, okay, I'm slow. I am slow in that if I'm nervous about something, chances are I'm gonna wait for other persons to do it first. Safety in numbers, me feel, which is not really what that means, but yeah, I waited for my other friends to do it first, and then when they came back with, hey, you know, I did it, a matter of fact, I did do it before she, and you know, I've been enjoying it, and blah blah blah. I say, alright then, Kim, alright, I your number now, I your time. So alright, so I was home one day, I was still going to school, home one day, and I said, okay, you know what, today is the day. I went to school in the morning, I remember. I went to school in the morning. DJ, you can't close the grill silently? That's DJ, guys, from DJ and Charm. If you don't subscribe, go and subscribe. You can't, you see it? Anytime I find the good juice, I can't come give you, you know. If you don't want the good juice, that's your problem. But you can't make the good things and pass. So go and subscribe to DJ and Charm. Yeah. DJ? Okay, so you come on, my Miranda. Can talk freely. Don't come. I'm not talking to you. So, yeah. So I'm going to leave school now. I mean, I did already know. I did tell myself, say, at today, at the day. So, in my hometown, okay, in my hometown, there is a place designated for this kind of act. Guys, let me say that again. In my hometown, and in every single parish, there is a place designated for this act. Which is why I'm gonna say, parents, it is imperative that you know what your children are doing. It is imperative that you protect your children. Even if you have to follow them sometime when them say them I go extra place, be on top of it. You think me not go watch me picnic them, wait until them come. I gonna glue them to me. Yeah, so there was, and there still is, because this place still exists. There is a place in my hometown right now where this act is done freely. Adults are there, because adults were, when I got there after school, adults were there. children were there, older than me, younger than me, and everybody participating. Once I had to leave my personal belongings outside, including cell phone and all of that stuff, so I guess you can't do any recordings, you cannot take any pictures. And I was very young at the time, but I was admitted on the inside, and people today act like it's a normal thing. Children participate, adults participate. It was just a normal day, you know. But in any case, I was like, you know what, this is my time. Like, I feel people are looking at me and weird now. Shut up, I'm not gonna get to it. Stop pointing fingers. Stop pointing fingers and don't call appearance for me. Don't call appearance for me. So anyway, yeah. People today, I mean, people are go about them business, people are participate, people are make it look like it's just another day. So I said, alright, it's my time now. So they had this counter. I guess it was like for you to say, hi, my name is, this is what I'm here for. In at the back of my mind, I was like, alright, this is gonna happen today, this is gonna happen today. Based on what my friends say, it needs to be something. I need to want to do it again, okay? It needs to be hard. I'm going to be nervous. It may be painful. But more importantly, I go want to do it again. So that did it on my mind. I mean, I say, this me I go with because it sounds nice. I'm like niceness. I'm more participate. So then I got to the counter, you know, them take my name and my age. And I say, oh my God. Take my name and my age and everything, you know. Alright, don't want a little card give me. And then bring me to one seat and tell me I must sit down. And when I sat down, guys, this lady wearing glasses came to me and she handed me a book and she said, well, Kimon, this book is due in 1 week, so we're going to ask you to bring it back in a week. It's hardcover, so you should be able to, you know, there shouldn't be any damages to the cover of the book. Don't write on the book, it's not your book, it is the property of the library. So that was my first time renting a library book, guys. You know, adults did the children did the younger than me, smaller than me. Stop paying for me. Missy say you did a hope say something else me I talk about, but and then me tell you fast I love people business. Actually, me know say people business you're gonna come fast. So really just tell her where you want to hear. Yeah, guys, so that was my first time renting a book from the library. I was in high school and all my friends them did a read library books and all them something there, and everybody had talked about them experience. Everybody did nervous because when they go to the library, what the adults did they and them shy. But I'd come about them tech and it was exciting, it was thrilling, and they've been borrowing books from the library ever since then, so them keep on going again. And if I mean tell you think what you want think, so don't point your fingers at me, stop pointing at me, I don't want me feel guilty. Me like me I know. Sure. Yeah, guys, so that that was my first time renting a book from the library, and you know, like my friend said, I kept on doing it after that because the book was thrilling, and I had this Nancy Drew book too. So yeah, if you like the little story time, go ahead and like it. If you don't comment yet, go ahead and drop a comment. You're too perverted, you did well, and things say are different things me I talk about. Now what place could there be in the town with adults and children alike there participating? You mad? You crazy? Me even drop that for your nose say I can't when me think him at all. But yeah man, a library me today. Yeah man, a library me today. Yeah, so so if you don't comment yet, guys, we are upon like go and go comment. Let me know what in your head. Let me know if you think me don't lie. Stop. Movie comment me not lie. I'm not lie. Me don't lie. Yeah. And if you don't like it yet, go ahead and drop a like. If you don't subscribe yet, you want me to find you and put a finger on the subscription? No, that sound like prison work. If you don't subscribe it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I promise you there's going to be a lot of content that y'all gonna like. I already have things that I'm sure say y'all gonna like. So go on, go look at my other videos. Be a part of the family. Thank you guys, Kim Squad, for riding with me and rocking with me and watching this video about the library. Thank you so much guys for coming over. Remember to go and subscribe to the Shanz Experience. Remember to subscribe to DJ and Charm. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for coming. Mwah! I love you guys.